A scarlet honeyeater. Loud, repetitive calls, particularly in the early morning, denote the presence of the eastern coal. It migrates from Southeast Asia to breed in spring and summer. The female is much more appealing with her camouflage of feathers. As with all cuckoos, it is a parasitic bird. If your garden is near a forest, big or small, the Australian bush turkey will forage in it, whether picking up food on the lawn or scrubbing the mulch or upper layers of soil in search of food. They are a pest due to their numbers around the cities. After winter, the newly born chicks substitute the elder ones, nothing to do. Do not leave scraps at their disposal.